can't forgive my mother and father for that. Yeah, because them a tell me, say, if you have manners, manners carry me go far. Humbug, lad. The amount of manners me have, nobody no want it.
Even though we're poor and we live in poverty, we never go to bed one night hungry. Because we're a happy family. We are the happy family. Glad that my parents had no divorcee. Happy family. We are the happy family. Glad that my parents had no divorcee. I was born in Jamaica with mommy and daddy. Live on a hill fire in the country. Mommy and daddy, they bring up 5 pickaninny, 2 brother, 2 sister. And me wash belly. And even though we're poor and we live in poverty, we never go to bed one night hungry. Yeah.
Who that DJ Ron?
That's Mikey Dread.
Mikey Dread.
Have a certain girl they show. Not just the way my flex and the way I on my floor. Anyway, me go meet the girl them of it. So me tell you know, y'all say me shot me have something well and you know, them all a wonder where me get it from, you know. Then them all ask me all certain questions, you know. What kind of whole everything, you know. Irish with theater, banana, pumpkin and all, you know. Lippy like a winner, lippy low. I know.
Eh? Where's your DD one teeth?
You want teeth? In your mouth, dry coconut.
Which teeth that day?
Eh?
That the teeth they made, is it?
Dry coconut, peanut or blood clot. Only thing in on yam.
Eh?
I born right here and char.
That the one teeth there? Me no feel so blood clot.
Ask anyone I am boy for them.
Oh, you crack peanut to that teeth there?
You can't stand it.
Eh?
This is one teeth here.
Eh?
It's on the gum cracky.
We rascal, then you better use the gum them.
Hey, you don't know how this man. Me never been fucking thing. Good. I'll can.
You know I'm can too? You was it and the part them and the fall them to blood clot.
Ross. What's up? How are the ambassador?
Why? The medication run out and me take it to heart and drop down. But since me come out and get me drip, I feel much better now. Please, when this one done, put on this one for me. Please. And when Vibes Cartel call, tell him say me want to see him and no left see them than me want to see them. What this under me nose? The doctor them up at the hospital never have me medication. Never have my medication, so they run me out. But I will take up this with the Ministry of Health.
Come on, Tessa, yeah, Sheena. Come on, Tessa. Like you can. I'm not afraid of him. He said I'm not afraid cross the border. I can't pass right this way you turn up.
You go out, brother. You feel like I rule you. I believe I rule your ass, man.
Here, Philip said me pass the border, he might chop me up. So me have to see you pass the border, then you can't chop up if me pass. Because your name and your wife.
So you not chop up me?
No.
So you not chop up. You want to eat that in here? I idiot that, man. Look over here, man.
Aye.
I idiot that.
Some woman, it doesn't just stay like, oh, it is. It's not big, it does right now, man. I'm reaching a home, maybe about ½ inch or an inch. We never go in a home anymore. Them man, they cock it down home, you know. I turn and shift up home and move home and gone somewhere else, you know. You must, when you come out of the home, you must go touch the spine, innit? Killer. Shift up the spine. I say, some guys say they want to see where they might take. Some guys say, oh, have to see that. They want to see where they might take. Some guys serious, you know, man, and nah, just take it up. So I want to go look something for drinking, you know. I may have to go buy it.
Yeah, I'm not bringing it.
Whether you drive a JLE or a Pro Box, you still have to stop anytime the road block. Whether you're good or your head just bad, you still have to get low when the time them bus shot. Whether she's a good girl or a road thought, she still want affection anytime the door lock. Whether you're poor or you're rich non-stop, at the same grave when a time for dove cut. We are all equal. Treat people with respect and compassion. Because if you think you're uppity and better than people, you're going to be poor.
Wait for it.
Don't beg me nothing, you know, boy, because I'm use me on them, you know. And I tell you, say, Annie and the 5 daughter them, you know. See them, yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Me never say 6, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the palm of them. Boy, don't make me no that on. Cause me use me and them, A-N-D and them, take it up. And you know see where Anna go the master and make the stop man and Marina take it too fast. That's me say serious the faster than our car. And he had the 5 daughter them. And about 2001 me no fuck. I la kill me say father. I la bother me sir. Me want go a back road sir. Me want go with the club them there. You know long me no fuck sir for 2001 master. Lord! And I want me like that. And I take it up. Take it out!
Water can't drop on it. Oh, God. Just change the color.
Yeah, look a bit.
Alright. You can take a shot, man. I say you can't take a shot now. Take a shot, man. Make a card good for share on somebody else. See if I can drink on next more.
Yeah, that's right, son.
This is a drink off, man. That's no drink. You don't get no more. But you say I got on soldier. Oh, yeah, soldier.
What soldier already, man? Me a police and soldier, no man. Me a police and soldier and thief and killer and bumbuckler. What? You a killer?
Everything in the world. Come go on station. What's that, Sheena? And me and Sheena there. Sheena, no me and you there. And me and Sheena there, go ahead. Sheena, no me and you there. And me and Sheena there, go ahead, Dirty Philip. Believe you can take on me woman. Sheena, come here, babes. Come here, Sheena, come here. Come here, Sheena. You can't chop up there, I hear that.
I can't forgive my mother and father for that. Yeah, because them a tell me, say, if you have manners, come manners carry me go far. Humbug lad. The amount of manners me have, nobody no want it. And money them should tell me, say, if you have, because that everybody a clamor over. God and manners. Now can we go for again, brother? And money you need for you have. My mother and father should tell me if you have money, not manners. Manners carry you go far. Jump on a ride right now. Have manners. Dog, name your supper here. Real life.
That's all, man. That's all. Man, you can't go look at work. Get up from this and go look at work, man. You get the right there, so the box I use and I beg the people, them say, I full the box in the night. I full the box off for people in the night before I get up and go look at work. Right at the ATM machine in the people, because I want to beg the people them come out of the ATM machine, that's it. Right at the ATM, get up and go look at work, man. And the box I want to pull off of the people them. Yeah, use a box and I beg the people them before I go look at work.